In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Pay Transaction History 2026. By the end, you'll know how to remove a single transaction, clear a range of activity at once, and set up automatic cleanup so older items are deleted on a schedule. Start by signing in to Google Pay. Use the same Google account that's linked to your purchases and payments so you're seeing the right activity. If you use multiple accounts in your browser or on your phone, double check that the correct profile is active before you proceed. Once you're in, give the page a moment to load your wallet and activity. Next, open the transactions section. This is where Google Pay lists your recent payments, refunds, and other wallet related actions in one place. You'll see items ordered by date with basic details like the merchant, amount, and status. This view is your hub for reviewing and managing what's stored in your Google Pay activity. Scroll through the list to locate the transaction you want to remove. Take your time to confirm you found the exact item you intend to delete. Look closely at the date, the amount, and any short description, especially if you have multiple similar charges. Deleting is permanent for your Google Pay activity, so it's worth a quick double check. When you found the right entry, click the X icon next to it. This action removes that specific transaction from your Google Pay history view. It's a straightforward way to clean up one-off items you don't want to keep. Keep in mind, removing an entry here doesn't reverse a payment or change anything on your bank or card statement. It simply clears the record from your Google account's Google Pay activity. If you want to clear more than one item at once, look for the delete button above the list of transactions and choose a time frame. Pick the window that best matches what you want to remove, like a recent period or a broader range. This is especially helpful if you're tidying a chunk of activity after a trip or a busy shopping period. To automate this going forward, select deleting activity older than and choose a 3, 18, or 36-month period. With this setting, Google Pay will routinely remove items older than the time frame you select, keeping your history trimmed without you having to return and do it manually. You can adjust this preference anytime if your needs change. That's it. Log in, head to transactions, remove individual entries with the X, bulk delete with the delete button, and set an auto delete window for ongoing cleanup. Review carefully before you delete, and you'll keep your Google Pay history neat and manageable.